Now, next, density. The ratio of mass and volume of body is known as the density of material of body. So we can write D equals to mass upon volume. The unit of density will be SI unit of D is kilogram per meter cube, while the CGS of unit of D gram per centimeter cube. If in this formula we take volume V equals to 1 meter cube, then we get density D equals to mass M. So we can say the mass per unit volume is known as the density of material of the object. Now the relative density or we can say specific gravity. The ratio of density of substance to the density of water at 4 degrees centigrade is known as the relative density of substance. So we can write RD, which is the relative density, equals to density of substance upon density of water at 4 degree centigrade. Now, and the unit of relative density, if we see the unit of relative density, we find it is pure number having no unit, because the numerator is density as well as the denominator is also density. Now, the use of Archimedes principle in finding the expression for relative density. First, we talk about for solids. We know the relative density is given by formula density of substance upon density of water. Or we can write in symbolic form the density of substance rho S upon density of water rho W. If we multiply this expression on both sides, means in numerator and denominator, with the volume and small g acceleration due to gravity, we get relative density equals to weight of certain volume of substance upon weight of same volume of water. So we get the relative density equals to weight of body upon loss in weight when fully immersed in water. Now suppose the weight of body in air is W1 and weight of body in water is W2. So loss in weight will be W1 minus W2. So we can write the expression for relative density. Weight of solid in air means W1 upon loss in weight when fully immersed means W1 minus W2. It is the expression of relative density for the solids. Second is for liquids. To measure relative density of liquid, choose a body which can be fully immersed in water as well as the given liquid. The body is weighted first in air, then fully immersed in water, and then fully immersed in that particular liquid. So, we can write relative density as we know density upon density of liquid upon density of water. Again, by the same process, we get when we multiply both numerator and denominator with volume and acceleration due to gravity, we get weight of certain volume of liquid upon weight of water displaced by same body. So we can write RD equals to weight of liquid displaced by a body upon weight of water displaced by the same body. And these terms are equal to the loss of weight in liquid upon loss of weight in water. So, if we suppose the weight of body in air is W and weight of body fully immersed in water is W dash. Now, weight of body fully immersed in liquid is W double dash. Then the loss of weight in water is W minus W dash and the loss of weight in liquid is W minus double dash. So we can write the expression for liquid density in the case of liquid W minus double dash upon W minus W dash. And now the Archimedes principle is used to design the ships and submarines, the hydrometers to find the densities of liquid, the lactometers to test the purity of milk,